Hello student, welcome to NBGI class 10th subject geography. Today's topic is a type of farming. I have told you in a previous class the pre-substance farming. Pre-substance farming is a very low farming method. He adopted the old farming method. Family and the 2 and 3 members engaged in this farming, and we have known the pre-substance farming is known as a shifting cultivation because the one community decide the patches of land and cut the scraps and trees and prepare land to the cultivation. And pre-substance farming is depend on the rainfall, so 1 and 2 crops are grow in the one seasons and adopted the old method. No use the substance means fertilizers is no use in this farming. The old farmer communities are no work for the increasing the fertility of the soil increasing also. Second is a intensive substance farming. Intensive substance farming, this type of farming is a small landholders are cultivated in this farming. The farmers grow a daily use of crops in this farming, and also the farmer use high varieties of seeds, fertilizers, and the irrigation facilities are available in this farming, and the farmer work for the increasing the fertility of soil also, and irrigation facilities are also provided in this farming, so the farmer 2 and 3 crops grow in the one seasons, one years also, and this type of farming happened in the Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Bihar, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and other states like and the rice is a main crop of this farming. Second is the commercial farming. Commercial farming, the farmer grow is a staple crops with the aim to selling his crops in the market directly. So this type of farming is a 2 types. First is a staple cropping, second is the plantation croppings. Staple croppings, staples like you have seen the rice and many other crops also, and farmer irrigation facilities are available also in this farming, and the big landlord work to his field also, and the plantation cropping you have seen the like a tea and coffee is a called to plantation farming. This farming happened in the mostly in the hilly regions, and this farming plantation farming, the farmers are see the not store the water in the field also, and he use the pesticides, and this farming this crops are directly sold in the market also. So and use the big many are laborers work in this farming. also. Thank you.